Okay, it is Thursday, February 17th at 8:08 Eastern Standard Time. We'll do a quick video real quick today. As usual, I'll get this disclaimer out of the way. This is not financial advice. This is only to be used as entertainment. Please do your own research. So Million Token is taking another hit today. As I said yesterday, the whales had one whale sold and it would take a day or two to equalize. But on top of that, I found out that some of the liquidity that was on Polygon, let me pull that up real quick here. Yeah, the Quick Swap partnership to earn Quick Swap or the Quick Swap tokens and the Dragon SERP, these benefits ended recently. So we could probably take those off the website from milliontoken.org. I think the rewards have ended. So people might be pulling their liquidity out of Polygon since the rewards are up. And they might be better off if they've got a lot of Million Token to bridge that over to the Ethereum blockchain and just stake it in the Million pool. So if this rewards program if it's ended, which people have said it has, and I've seen screenshots that the rewards have ended, it probably should be removed from the milliontoken.org website. Just, it's misleading. And then also, I don't know why a Million Foundation's still here and Lion Run. If any of these are not promoting Million Token, just remove them off the website. So yeah, those are my thoughts. So we're below $8 on Polygon, which I didn't think would happen this fast. And I was saying yesterday how I was looking at one of these large wicks here that we would come back and I think it was this one here. I said we would come back and retest these low levels. And here we are retesting them solidly. So you got plenty of time to buy Million Token below $8 if you have the dry powder for it. You know, I get some money tomorrow, but it's not like a lot, like $1,000 or so. You know, I'll just dollar cost average if the price is still low again. And so if people start pulling out their money from the liquidity, it's kind of good and bad. It's good in a way where, you know, the whales aren't going to want to sell because if they drop the price too much, they're just not going to get that much money for their Million Token. And also, if you know people buy Million Token with low liquidity, it'll push the price up a lot quicker. So you know, I'm not sure what's going on right now. If we've got a lot of sell orders, I see a lot of buy orders here. Got a sell order of 200 for 1,000. That's not too bad. What I'm looking for, here's 400. Sell order for 400, 3,000. That's still not too bad. I think it'll probably be bought up pretty quickly. I'm more worried about people selling, you know, 2,000 tokens or whatever again, like that happened yesterday. So this could just be, you know, it's going to take time to buy up those whale tokens. You know, it's not going to happen instantly. And, you know, would like to see the price go sideways really before DCAing again. But yeah, I mean, last time I bought was just under $10. So it's like $9.80 or something like that. So I'm loving these prices, but I just got to wait until I get some more dry powder. On the other blockchains, let's see, we have Pancake Swap, 820. Here it is, 830. That was Ethereum, was 821. Yeah, it's around $8.20. Can't really go by Phantom and Kusama because the liquidity is so low there. But it's even down at 776. But you know, there's probably hardly any liquidity at Kusama, and I still have to check that out. I think I have MOVR, but yeah, it should be interesting to see if people start plowing into the MM pool. It still has 292,000. It might go back up to 300,000 fairly quickly if people start moving their liquidity from Polygon over to ETH to stake. And I'm still thinking about staking. It's not that important to me, but you know, if he's going to give out free tokens and it's been around for months without any problems, it's probably bug free. I would hope. And let's see what we have here. The lounge, I noticed the holders going up to 19,895. It's going up about 20 or 30 holders a day, so that's good. It's a pretty steady increase. And Bitcoin right now on the 4-hour chart on the exponential ribbon, I said yesterday that, let me pull it up here. We can come down to these lower levels of the lower part of the exponential ribbon, and we touched it, right there at the bottom. And we'll just see if it bounces from there. Right now we got, looks like still some more downward pressure, but we'll see if we could We might have a couple more wicks here. We've got this moving average down here at around, $43,000. So that's what Bitcoin is doing, showing a little bit of weakness. And what else we have? I think the RSI on the monthly for Bitcoin, these were the times to buy when the Bitcoin was down in this green box. And so, we could, if we have a bear market, go all the way down to these lower levels on the RSI between, 42 to 46, 47. But we'll just see how it plays out. You got to be real patient. Relative unrealized profit loss. I was going to talk about this yesterday. It's on Willy Woo's website, lookintobitcoin.com. There's lots of charts here. But the times to buy during these giant dips here. But you notice the dips are getting lower and lower and lower. So if you were in, 2015 and you thought the dip was going to happen the same as it did here in 2012, well, you would not have had the chance to buy it, right? So the dip was down at these levels. And, back in 2018, if you thought the levels were going to come all the way down here or down here, you would have missed a dip. And, also with the coronavirus, even with the massive panic in March of 2020, we didn't come down to the levels as we did in the bear market of 2018, December 2018. So people, I think, are just holding on to their crypto for longer and longer periods of time. They're wising up. And with the recent dips that we had after, Bitcoin went to $65,000 or $69,000 and we had 50% corrections of Bitcoin, we still haven't even come close to these, coronavirus levels. So, we get close to these euphoria and greed levels and, we pull back, but we're not pulling back as much as we used to. So what's going to happen when it almost looks like an ascending triangle where it's plateaued up here and then, you can imagine a line going diagonally up here and, what's going to happen when it breaks out? One theory is it's just going to go up because at that point, nobody's selling even if we're in euphoria. And, we have this super S-shaped curve. That's just a theory, but I know up to a certain point, people are going to just cash out because, they've got life-changing wealth. And then, if Bitcoin becomes the world currency or Bitcoin becomes the go-to currency to buy oil in the world or natural gas or, other things between countries, it's going to have this curve that's just going to go up. So just keep that in mind. The Bitcoin Mayer multiple, you want to buy when the Mayer multiple's, below 2.4. And we're right now at, looks like around 0.86, 0.9. Or what was it when we had that March crash right here? So even when the coronavirus crash, it was at around 0.6. And we're not, we're just a little bit higher than that. So, that's really looking pretty good. We can see where it's 2.4 here. It caught the top here in June of 2019. I think that was when we had, was that the Plus Ponzi scheme in China or something like that, or Plus One or World Token? It was one of those things. And then we were up here peaking out in February of 2021. But we're nowhere near the blow off top. And that's, that's interesting because we, it's, if you zoom out, technical analysis says the momentum's going down and we could be in a bear market. But another part of me says we never had that blow off top. And everybody on crypto Twitter is saying that, we never had that blow off top to $100,000. The CBBI index and other indexes like the crypto fear greed index, they just didn't have those very, very high levels. So how could you be in a bear market if we didn't have a blow off top? I'm like, well, who's to say what a blow off top is? If you defined it as a blow off top as hitting these levels in this red area, like we did here in, the end of 2017 when we hit almost 20,000, we would hit the top level. Well, we hit it here, the bottom level right here. So that could have been the blow off top, and we just had a second retest of it. So, if we come down to these lower levels, don't freak out because when you're, the price is in this green area. It's like the best time to buy crypto for the long term. But you know, I just don't know. It's 50-50. So that's why dollar cost average and just hold. And I like to dollar cost average into hard assets like Million Token and Bitcoin. So I think that's about it. I just want to give you an update on the price of Million Token and the update on the rewards for providing liquidity in Polygon, I think, are over. And hopefully the milliontoken.org website will get updated soon. I don't see anybody in chat, so obviously there's no questions. And I hope everybody has a good day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.